Hello, this is 148 and welcome to a very special video. Maybe you already know what's in this box, but let's make the coolest unboxing ever. If you like the doors, I made an unboxing similar to this one because I have bought the same statue of this brand. I didn't want to rip this paper, but I had no choice. Wait a minute, maybe I can do this. Don't show my address to anyone because I have a lot of fans and they will invade my home. No, I don't have. Alright, alright. Alright. Oh man, this is fucking awesome. Holy fucking shit, man. Holy fucking shit, man. Holy fucking shit. Man, look at this beauty. The box is a little bit damaged, but it has damaging. Alright, enough of that jokes. Let's open this baby with my IRA card because I have a lot of IRA. Alright, let's go. I have seen Metallica twice in this tour. The last gig I was I was watching James Hetfield with this look and with a big stink on his hi. Bro, look at this, man. The God himself. Holy shit, man. Black spoon. Como é que se diz espuma em inglês? Foam. Black foam. Oh man, I'm so fucking fuck. I think this is the way. Holy man. Do you know the way? Okay, I think we can put this box aside. This is very amateur unboxing, I know, but fuck it, man. They're all a bunch of fucking emotions right here, you know? I waited for my whole life for this, you know? And it smells so good, man. Ai, até fiquei com uma câimbra, caralho. Bro. Holy fucking shit, man. This is fucking awesome. And the bass. Not the bass, but the bass, you know? Oh man. 1218. It's the serial fucking number. Let me just get off my way. Just to make a cool plan of this, my friend. Come here. Alright, let's put the god himself here, man. Oh, the stand of my beautiful. With the pits. And now, the god himself. Mr. Hat. It's so it's not so heavy, you know?
It's light.
What?
Is it light?
Yeah, like
Feel light?
yeah, it's a light, not like on fire, lots of sun. Oh, This is the same statue right here. This will be my next altar. Bro, look at this, man. This is just epic, man. This is just fucking epic, man. This will look nice in my altar, man. Look at the frets. This is like pergament.